Good Wednesday afternoon, everyone. Our first alert weather day continues through today and even into tomorrow, as well as the snow and wind continue to come down. Today, windy with those gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour, along with that snow and mix could create some whiteout conditions at times. For your Thursday, more blowing snow, but the falling snow will gradually taper off into the afternoon hours. The wind, however, will continue through Thursday. We've got a high wind warning in all these counties shaded in the bright orange there until 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. That's where we could see the gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Meanwhile, we've got a winter weather advisory for all these counties shaded in purple until 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. A general 1 to 5 inches of accumulation. The higher end of that going to be on grassy surfaces and higher elevations of Minnesota. We could see gusts to 50 miles per hour within this region. Here's a look at satellite and radar where some areas right in the Central Valley are warm enough to have that precipitation type coming down as rain. Meanwhile, much of the area in Minnesota is seeing that precipitation in the form of some snow. This continues to wrap around the main low, which is down towards the Twin Cities. So rain down there where temperatures are warmer, but up across the north and out to the west, we're seeing that transition to snow and mix. And on the back end, that wrap around, that's when we're starting to see these really strong gusts pick up. Again, a gust to 45 miles per hour in Fargo, a sustained or constant wind at 32 miles per hour. Recent gust to 53 miles per hour in Sisseton, gusting to 46 in Grand Forks, 43 in Devil's Lake, 51 in Jamestown. And this wind is going to continue, and it's actually going to increase. So through the morning hours, we saw a lot of gusts to around 40, potentially 50 miles per hour. Now into the lunchtime hour, we're seeing more gusts to 50 with that sustained wind between 20 and 35. But through the rest of this afternoon and into the evening, that's when those stronger gusts will start to pick up, where we could see sustained winds as high as 40 miles per hour with gusts closer to 60 miles per hour. So let's time all this out in your hour-by-hour forecast. The area of precipitation continues to wrap around, and as it does, it's going to kind of back to the west. We will have a couple areas right on the far edge of that warm enough for some rain and some slushy mix in there, but much of the region is going to be seeing some snow. So with the falling snow and the very strong winds, that's where we could see that low visibility and some potential whiteout conditions. That continues through the rest of your day and into this evening. Here we are tomorrow morning, when you're getting ready to wake up. This is 5:25. Still some scattered areas of snow, still some very strong winds. So your commute tomorrow morning will likely be a little trickier than it was this morning, especially here in the valley and parts of eastern North Dakota. So as we head into the afternoon, that snow will gradually decrease and diminish, but the wind is going to hang on through the day. This is 6:15 tomorrow night, and we could still see some gusts to 40 miles per hour before it gradually tapers off into Friday. Additional snowfall amounts, again, it's going to be some of the higher elevations and grassy surfaces that will see that accumulation. Much of the snow is melting on contact. So let's look at additional moisture potential. Some areas have already picked up over an inch between yesterday and this morning. Parts of the northern valley and northwestern Minnesota could see an additional half an inch to an inch of moisture. So wrapping things up in your 7-day planner here, yucky conditions for the rest of today and into tomorrow, those first alert weather days. Breezy, but a little bit warmer with sunshine as you head into your Friday. The weekend looking warmer. We could see some low 50s. I was hopeful, JC, of hopefully some 60s by Sunday, but we are looking at another system swinging through that could bring some mixed showers, so a little cooler, and still watching another system for next week. But let's get through.
We won't get our hopes up just yet.
Not quite yet, but April in the valley.
April in the valley. Thank you, Summer.